Weather-wise, we are waiting for some storms to roll into town.
Yeah, so the timing of this is tomorrow.
Yes.
Are we going to get a lot of activity outside in before the storms roll in?
I think we get some dry hours if you take advantage of the early part of the day before the storm chances start to increase. And we still have that better news in terms of the risk for severe weather being pushed south. We'll let you know if that changes over the weekend, and we'll have the timeline for you in just a second. 37 right now. We have cloudy skies in Indianapolis. Today's high temperature in the low 40s. Another day in the upper 20s where we started. We won't be quite that cold tomorrow morning. Clouds in place, and we'll be tracking that chance for some showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. 47 by noon. It is going to be spring-like. Spring-like temperatures will also bring some spring-like thunderstorms. We're still dry now across central Indiana, but tracking an intensifying storm system. On the cold side, they've got snow and lots of it. Snow and wind, so blizzard warnings are posted from parts of Minnesota all the way south through Kansas. In the warm part of this weather system, that threat for severe weather. It still includes the southern third of the state, but for now, the higher risk for severe storms along and south of the Ohio River. We will let you know if that changes. And tomorrow, regardless, a good day to stay weather aware as we track some showers and thunderstorms moving our way. Let's get to that local analysis. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Yes, there will be a few spotty showers around, but not a washout. We're not forecasting the heavy rain to arrive until late afternoon, early evening. We'll stop Future Track 13 at 6 p.m. We'll track the storm development closely because any storm may reach strong to severe limits. So stick with us tomorrow late in the day. The shower and thunderstorm activity will start to wind down late Saturday night. Speaking of late Saturday night, this time tomorrow night we're going to be at 60 degrees. That's where we'll start our Sunday, but watch what happens as the cold front moves through. We drop by about 20 degrees between midnight and 6 a.m. And instead of thunderstorms, we'll be tracking the chance for a few flurries. A much colder day on Sunday, but the bigger weather issue Sunday will be the potential for high destructive winds. In fact, a high wind watch already posted for Saturday night into Sunday. That means we could have winds 50 to 60 miles per hour or more. Very windy and much colder on Sunday after rain and storms at 60 tomorrow. Early part of next week looks pretty quiet. 38 on Monday, 44 Tuesday. Chance for a few snow showers on Wednesday.